Look at this! This is my new trading station. Perfect mobile trading station. But if you think you mean all of this was my trading setup, not what you see here, no. This! I was day trading with a MacBook Pro 2017, runs on Windows and Mac. My MacBook has two operating systems for two reasons. All these videos, even this one, are made with Final Cut Pro. And Final Cut Pro only works on a MacBook. However, my trading software only works on Windows. Also, platforms as Destrader Pro, Sterling only function on Windows. But I know trading on Mac is possible for sure. You have the Trader Workstation from Interactive Brokers, MotiveWave, and also TradingView works perfectly. When I day trade, I love to have a second screen, but the best part is you already have a second screen right here. There's actually a few ways you can use your phone as an extra screen. First of all, you can just put it as a wireless monitor, so it really acts like a secondary monitor. I also use it in different kind of ways. With the app of Webull, I could just have live data of the stocks I was watching, at the screeners I use from TradingView or StockTwits. There is one more screen. Television. To connect a MacBook Pro, I needed this thing, iDeck. I will put the link below. The best part is with this thing, I can just connect it with every desktop I want. Well, this thing is what they call a USB hub. It has two display ports, one HDMI cable. It has power pass-through, so it can charge my computer as well. And on top of that, it has an Ethernet connection. This is perfect. I'm mobile. I'm traveling. I go everywhere. I'm not always in one place. I'm not always here and have this amazing setup. Yeah, I have been over 80 countries. And not everywhere are monitors or a television, so I invested in an extra screen. Perfect 2K. But the only other thing was my MacBook. Traveled across the world. All these stickers are burned in. How this thing is still running still surprises me. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, my MacBook that runs both Windows and Mac OS has only 120 gigabytes of memory. That's literally half of the memory of my phone. So I need to update my trading station. I was looking all different kind of options. I do not want just any trading laptop. I need to be able to trade wherever I go. It needs to be powerful. It needs to be small. It has to have an optimal screen real estate, and it has to be mobile. So then I got this message. Just look at this laptop. ZenBook Duo, look! Epic screen real estate. It can't get better than this. Ordered the last one in stock of Media Market. What was written on the website was apparently false. They were fully out of stock. But around the same time this video popped up. A laptop concept without any keyboard, but it has a display instead. It is powerful with a new Intel i7 chip. It has such a small and light form factor. It even has a touchscreen and a pen. Possibility of this laptop, and then I knew this is the laptop I want. It would be so perfect for my trading. It would not be released for another 4 months. But if trading has taught me anything, it is the art of patience. So waited until I finally got to buy it. Right here. By the way, this is not sponsored in any kind of way. I'll be waiting for this laptop. love that after all this time I finally get to buy it. So I'm finally done in setting up 2 screens. Even my extra monitor, television works, and of course my old MacBook is still here. So let's make it now ready to start trading. We first start with downloading my execution platform from my broker. My broker is Alaric Securities. I finally set up my trading station. Daylight is already getting gone, took a couple of hours, but I'm finally 100% ready. So on the first screen we have my broker. I want to see the indices, it's on a big screen. 2 of my screens are here and another screener. The best part about this setup, it's totally mobile. I can review my trades. On the chart is literally my trading laptop that I dreamt about. Let me show you how small this can get. MacBook, my extra screen. This is my complete mobile trading station. This is a perfect mobile setup. The trading laptop of my dreams. But remember, it all just started with one laptop. If you just want to set up a trading station with just one screen, you can do that. And which laptop this is the Lenovo Yoga Book 9i. I will put the link in the description. My problem was I just wanted to upgrade to just one laptop, just only this for trading. But I love my 2 other screens as well. But remember, you are not as good as the tools you use. If a shitty football player wears the most expensive shoes, it is still a shitty football player. You cannot perform because you don't have multiple screens. If you have just one screen, you can make it work. If you cannot perform on one screen, you will also not perform on multiple screens. It is as simple as that. But if you really want to have the best tools, you have to look within you. Think like a trader and behave like a trader. You have to watch this video to discover what are the most important habits of winning traders.